Yeah, that looks nice, Terry.
Did a good job, didn't he?
Yeah, I did. Turned out beautiful.
That kid's pretty good.
It looks great, man.
I didn't want to take him higher.
Yeah. I'm recording you too, by the
Oh,
way.
you'd have a shit ton of wires exposed.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That way we just got this right here.
Yeah.
Which there's no avoiding it.
Yeah. No, it looks good. You guys did a really good job.
Thanks, man.
We got the ladder still to put on, right?
Yep.
Yeah, you go ahead. I'm just...
Yeah, ladder. We got the ladder.
You're live, Dave.
Touch up.
Ladder,
ceiling,
touch up,
ladder.
locks. Cool. Very cool.